What's up, y'all? It's your girl Not Vinci, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And in today's video, we will be doing maintenance. So we're gonna get our lashes done, our toes done, and then we're also gonna do our nails. But I might do my nails tomorrow just to wait a little bit. But yeah, because you know, a girl is going to Puerto Rico for Valentine's Day. So we gotta make sure we look good, we look tea, we ready for that beach, and hopefully the beach is ready for me. And if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends if you think that they're going to be interested in this video. So first stop, lashes. Uber is already on the way. All we gotta do is go downstairs, hop in an Uber, and yeah, so let's get right into it. I will be getting a Wispy light volume set. Okay, I didn't want to do too much this time. Like, I wanted it to give like real cutesy it girl, but real grown, you know what I'm saying? Like, y'all gonna see, just wait. But all right, y'all, so let's get ready to head to our lash appointment.
Alright, y'all, so I just got in my Uber on my way to my lash appointment, and you know your girl love a good Saratoga. This is probably one of my favorite drinks, so I'm just enjoying this while also enjoying the view of the city. Charlotte is so beautiful when you're just like riding through, catching the vibe, and especially when you're not driving, you can really take a look at the city and really just appreciate it for what it is. I don't know about y'all, but I'm really starting to love Charlotte.
Alright, y'all, I'm in the chair and I'm here with my girl. She about to get me right.
I miss her, y'all. I thought she was cat.
No, girl, I don't know why. Every time I say I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna do it. The first time I said I was coming back, what I do? I came back. And I don't know, like, I just love the way she do my lashes. Like, I used to go to this girl. You're not gonna say no name, but I used to go to this girl and she used to do my lashes, and I just did not like them. Like, it just gave like plastic, crunchy, like just not what it was supposed to give. When I go to my girl, she makes sure it's fluffy, it's wispy, it's full. It's like, even after my lashes, like, cause you know, like some few days after you get your lash done, some may come out. Even after, if a few come out, they still look full, and that's what I love. So today we'll be getting a what am I getting?
You're getting Wispy volume. We don't do skimp lashes.
Yeah, no skimpies. No skimpies. I don't like no boneless lashes. Okay, I need the bone in them motherfuckers. Okay. But all right, I'm gonna come back when I'm gonna come back when she put everything on my eyes, and then I'm gonna have her.
All right, y'all, like I said, I was gonna come back and show y'all after the tape and stuff is on my eyes, and this is the finished look. I really like them. She gave me the exact set that I wanted, just a little bit longer, but that's literally what I wanted. Let me know if you like them in the comments.
All right, y'all, now that the lashes is done, we are actually about to go get our toes done, period. But before we do that, we do have a few orders to drop off, so we will be going to the post office and then making a quick stop at a pickup / drop off orders place, and then we're gonna head to the nail salon. And this nail salon, I actually went to last summer. Not only do they serve complimentary mimosas, but their work is like super good, and that's something that I need when it comes to my toes, because I need my toes to last as long as possible. It's winter time, okay, and don't nobody got time for that.
All right, y'all, we're here in the chair, and as you can see, it's real nice in here. Don't mind that, but I'm about to get started. Y'all, why my phone died literally mid-process of me recording the entire thing. Not gonna lie, a few mimosas in, I almost forgot to record, but I did get a French tip set, plus I got the spa treatment, so I'll add a few overlays to show y'all how that went. And yeah, they always do my toes so tea, so make sure y'all go to them if you in Charlotte.
Now that we have our lashes done, our toes are done, now it's just time to do our wig install. We have a flight to catch tomorrow. So today's wig install will be with Unice Hair. This is my first time purchasing hair from this brand, but I'm so super excited because I've seen so many good reviews, and then I opened the wig already, and I'm not gonna lie, y'all, she's fucking tea. Like, she's better than any Amazon wig I've got, any AliExpress wig. And I thought AliExpress was the creme of the creme, okay? The creme, however you say creme de crop, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a, yeah, but creme de crop, whatever. But this is the one. So let me go ahead and open up the box and show y'all. Time to waste, okay? We don't have no time. Burmese curly unit. Burmese curly, like, look at this. Look at my sister. Fuck is you talk about? Well, F is you talk about? Like, look at her. Bouncy, full. Like, she's overly teen. Now let's get into the install. Let's go.
Alright y'all, so here I'm just getting ready to put the wig on my head, and since it is a frontal, I will be doing the bald cap method. I use Gots to Be spray to lay down my bald cap, and then I go in with a blow dryer and blow dry it on a cool setting for about 5 to 10 minutes until the cap is fully dry. This way you make sure that the cap does not lift. As you can see, like, my cap is fully dry. Now I'm just going in with my color contour / foundation and putting it on. Make sure that the skin matches and that the skin is T. That's how we ensure that a good lace is laid. Now I'm cutting the wig cap off my head, well, the perimeter of it, to make sure that it matches my hairline, so that way when I do go in with the glue and to lay the wig, that it matches up my hairline. It don't be too much to the front or too much to the back, because I don't need a big forehead, but I don't need to make it look like I don't have no forehead either. So I will be using the Dola Lace Glue hair kit to do this install. I got this hair kit from Amazon. I decided to go with the Dola Lace Hair because the Erica J glue that I used to use wouldn't have came in time. So I had to go with the faster option and go on Amazon and buy the kit. And it literally came with everything I need. It came with hairspray, came with lace tin mousse, came with wig glue remover, the wig glue, a wig band, wig cap, a HD wig cap at that. And yeah, so now I'm just about to start the install. I'm putting on my Dola Lace Hair Glue. I usually do dots on the cap and then dots on my forehead, and then blend it in with a edge brush, or like the end of an edge brush. That way I can get the glue to become as tacky, but also having it smooth as well. And I want to say I did about 2 to 3, maybe 3 to 4 layers of wig glue. So just repeating the steps of dots on the cap, then dots on my forehead, then blending them together and letting it dry a little bit before going in with my next layer. And I did this, like I said, 3 to 4 times, so that way the glue can become really sticky, the wig really sticks to my head, because we about to go on vacation. I need no lace lifting, okay, especially if I'm being in that water. Now that the wig is on my head, I apologize for a few missing videos. Like I said, my phone did die, and I don't be having a lot of storage on this phone. So a lot of clips are missing, but that's why I do the voiceovers, to come in and really explain the process. So I'm just going back in with some lace glue on the parts that didn't really get as much glue, because we don't need no lace lifting. Like I said, I use the comb to like get the little small parts, and then I go in with my wig band. As we know, wig band for an hour, okay, because we need that lace to be flat, we need it to be laid, we need it to be T, okay. So while this sits and waits, I will go ahead and get in the shower, and then when I come back, we will do our edges and finish up the install. Fresh out the shower, now we're ready to finish up our lace install. And as you can see, as soon as I took the wig band off, it did hurt because there was some excess glue left over that a girl forgot to get. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in with some more alcohol, okay, yes, alcohol, and I'm going to wipe my forehead to get rid of all that excess glue, so that way it won't be super sticky and it won't mess up my install. Now that lace tint mousse that I mentioned earlier that came with the Dola hair kit is what we're going to use. Yes, we're going to use this instead of contour, just because I wanted to see how it works, and you know, like how it would be able to blend my lace. And I actually really did love it, because it made my, like, it blended the lace into my skin texture and color so smoothly and so well. And I'd never used lace tint mousse before, so I was actually very shocked at the results, as you can see. Now that lace was given tea and it was blended, I did go in and do my edges. Not too much, didn't want any dramatic edges. But yeah, y'all, that concludes the maintenance day video. I really hope you guys liked it. As you can see, I love this wig. Lashes is tea, toes is tea, and I'm ready for vacation. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!